Hey, thanks for joining us once again, guys, on our channel. Today we're going to be making Biganee, and with Diwali around the corner, this is one of the best snacks that I love to have around the Diwali time, Pagwa time. So today we're going to be making Biganee for you guys, and we have our ingredients there. We're going to be using some roasted ground geera, some baking powder, split peas of course, some yeast, salt, food coloring, flour, scallions, pepper, garlic, and of course you can't have Biganee without the Baigan. So we have one fat rosy Baigan there, and let's get started with this Biganee, guys. Yummy Biganee. So here's our big rosy Baigan, guys, and with one like this, as fat as this, you're gonna get some nice big round slices. So the lovely Molly is gonna add the flour there to begin with. So that's our flour there, and we're gonna add the roasted ground geera. Of course, all the measurements will be in the description box below the video, guys, so you can make this for Diwali and anytime you please. That's salt, that's the yeast, and baking powder. So you see the split peas here. We have soaked the split peas for about 2 hours. That's as long as you need to. You can soak it for longer if you like, but 2 hours is enough. And that's what it looks like after 2 hours of soaking. So now we're gonna add the food coloring here now. So this Biganee here goes very well with mango sour, guys. We already have a recipe up for the mango sour, so I'll put a link of that video below this one in the description box also, okay? So now we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna blend our dal. Little blenders, as you can see here. So you're gonna add a little bit of water in there just to help the blender go. Okay, guys, so we added the water there. Now we're just gonna give this all this. Okay, guys, so that's it. Okay, so we're gonna throw that out, and then we're gonna blend our seasoning in here as well. So that's now the garlic. We've already added scallions in there, so we're gonna blend those two up now. Gonna add a little bit of water as usual. Alright, guys, so here's our dal, our grind yellow split peas. So what we did, we soaked half of a quarter pint of dal, which is 1/8 of a pint, and this is what you get. You get 1 cup. So the grind dal measurement is 1 cup. So in order to get 1 cup of grind dal, you need to soak 1/8 of a pint. Alright, 1/8 of a pint of the raw dal will give you 1 cup of the grind dal. So we're gonna add our grind scallions and garlic to our mixture now, and the dal. Okay, guys, so as I've been saying all the time, that you just really need to concentrate on your dough, how soft it is, and you add as much water as you need to get it to the consistency that we're gonna get. For those of you who like to know how much water we're starting with, so in this measuring cup here, we are starting with 8 ounces of water. Alright? Okay, so we use all of that 8 ounces, and this is another 8 ounces of water. So this will be called a fritter, guys, but in Guyana it's known as Biganee. It's an Indian name for this snack, and this is usually made at holiday times like Diwali, Pagwa, and not even only at those holidays, like any other function or whatever you may have. Biganee, palauri, bara are made. So these are popular snacks in Guyana. You have this at wedding houses, jandies, and all of those functions. Biganee, bara, and palauri are all-rounders. They're everywhere. So that's it there, guys. Okay, so that's all of the 16 ounces of water that we use. So we use 16 ounces for those of you who would like to know that. And I'll put that in the description box below. So okay guys, so here is our mixture here. And we now have to leave this to rise. We're going to cover this and leave this in a corner to rise. So we're going to cover this now and set it to rise. So we're going to go slice our Baigan now, Baigan, eggplant. So you want to slice these a bit thin so they get cooked by the time the Biganee is fried, right? So this is one of the things you used to get in front of the cinema in Guyana, guys. You still do. Only that most of the cinemas are gone. But this was one of the main snacks. This and potato ball. You still get them at the cane juice stands though. And they're everywhere. So that's the way you slice the Baigan, boy. See, that's a perfect slice. Look at that. This is a lot of Biganee. You're gonna need some of you guys to come help us eat. What is it? Okay guys, so once you've sliced your eggplant like this, your Baigan like this, that's it. You don't need to do anything. You're not gonna add any salt to this, because the mixture that we've mixed to cover this with has salt already, so it's gonna permeate into this once it's fried, once it's been fried. And if you add salt to this too, it'll get wet, and then the mixture won't hold on properly to this. So we left this for about an hour, and this is what it will look like after about an hour, and that's okay. It has risen a little bit there. You're gonna get some nice Biganee with this. So before you start frying, guys, you want to set yourself up with your plate or whatever you're gonna take out and put the finishes in. And on one side we have our stuff ready to go. So I like to have some of these crunchy, guys, as soon as they come out and they cool off a bit. Tastes very, very good. One down. So here are our Biganese, looking yummy, right? Nicely done and soft. So Molly's gonna show you one there. Look at that. So that's it for this recipe, guys. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.